How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Flight for Hype. Look at that, the Air Jordan, the hand. You already know what that is. We got the Union 4s here. These were first the most hated on Jordan collaboration probably ever. Everyone was clowning them, blah blah blah. Then after that, when the tongue extended out, everybody got aroused. Sneakerheads are something else, I'm telling you, but I like these at first. I embrace newer silhouettes and newer ideas. Everyone's always with the same boring, oh this, that, oh put the Nike back on the back, put this. You guys, come on guys, you guys are picky for no reason. Just enjoy the shoe and be able to cop a pair that you never had before, you know what I mean? But let's get right into it. So the box, that's just Jordan taking the shot. This is the Noir colorway. And let's go check these out right now. Boom, look at that, look at this.
Look at him, look at him, look at him.
Okay.
Look at it, look at that face.
These are the Union 4s. We gotta take out both of these bad boys. These are amazing. Fire still. These are fire. Boom. Check out these babies. Look at that. This has never been done before with any Jordan 4. With the toe box, the mudguard area is that suede. It's a rich suede. It smells good too. I really like that. And on top of the toe box is like a coarse mesh. So it's much more stronger, will last way longer. And as we get to the medial side, it has that iconic Jordan ventilation. And if you look, this is the part that got everyone going, the tongue. Everyone was so pissed off when they first seen this tongue, but honestly, I think I like it like that, you know what I mean? But if maybe when years pass by, if I get bored of that look, I'll probably extend it out.
It's not even yours.
Yeah, you could actually unstitch these. A lot of people unstitch them. I, for one, would keep it as this for the starters. Then as time goes by, I'll take it out if I get bored of the tongue like this.
Stop capping.
On the lateral side, we got that Jumpman tag. You know, that tag is, a lot of people don't wear this tag on their shoes, but I, for one, I would probably keep it. I know it's a little bit extra, but I will keep it. And it comes like in a light blue colorway. So it has the iconic air bubble that's known for the Jordan 4s with this sail colorway. I would say it's like an off-white sail colorway. The shoe looks aged ready, so it will look the same 20 years from now. And I think that they're really trying to capture that. Even with the new off-white 5s, you guys seen those? It's already aged. But now going to the outer sole, we got the blue and also the Nike logos in red. But I like the fact that they changed, the colors are mixed up in it. Kind of brings a different element to the shoe. Now on the heel, this is what I was talking about. Everyone always complains. If this was a Jordan logo, people would have been so pissed off. The sock liner, as you can see, it's that blue, which also on the panel outside of the heel. And these colors work together very well. This is like a navy blue, it's like a retro navy. That color is actually like a dark gray. It's not really black, it's like a dark gray. And those work together really well. On the wings, the flaps, so they didn't cut out the flap. It's like basically full. And it has like the red tips. I like that. I would probably flap it out the way how Travis wears his Jordans. Other than that, on the inside, oh, the sole comes out nicely. So the sole, check that out. It's just a simple sole. It comes in black with that red hint and Union Jumpman. Pretty cool. I, for one, think these guys make some of the best collaborations. I said it in the summertime. They make some of the best collaborations for Jordans. It has yellow laces that are on the Union 1s. And this lace, I would personally switch them out for this lace right away. This lace makes the shoe pop. And I would say this shoe is a cop. This is most definitely a cop. You can't go wrong with these, man. If you got them for retail, you scored. But if you got to pay resale, I would say probably buy them now. They might be lower because they're doing worldwide releases now. So this is a go. Okay, now take it away, Jordan.
So I just want to have a big shout out to my boy Ritwan, bro. Thank you so much, man. Like, without you, this wouldn't even be possible. So check this out, guys. This is the Union 4s on the shoe. But to be honest with you, like, at first, I'm not gonna lie, I dogged the hell out of these shoes. I was like, bro, like, what the hell are those? I hopped on the bandwagon on it, but it started growing on me the more that I saw these on feet, and I was like, yo, I actually need to have these. This is not my size, actually. This is a size 12, so he did get it from the Jordan store. What a lucky guy, right? So this retailed for $330 Canadian, but resale right now is around $700 to $800 right now. And keep in mind too, prices have dipped down a little bit because of the re-release in the stock market as well. But I do believe these are going to go back up to 1,000 just because, well, look at these. Like, they're such a unique shoe. I've never seen a collaboration that looks like this before. You know what I mean? It did come in the guava colorway as well. I really like the guava colorway, but this is still like a little bit more wearable, I would say. Super, super nice. So guys, let me know in the comments down below, did you guys hit on the restock or did you even hit on the actual release of the Union LAs? Let us know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? Would you pay resale or would you not? Smash the like button, comment down below. We would love to know your thoughts. We would also want to know, what do you guys want to see more of on the channel? Because right now, I don't know if you guys have seen the video, but I did ended up getting a tattoo while reviewing the off-road rubber dunks. That was kind of hard. That was really hard. Like, that was a bad spot, guys. So don't forget to check out that video. And also, CJ and Prince have been doing really well right now. CJ has been banging out news for you guys, and Prince just released a new copper drop, which is always almost every Thursday. So don't forget to click the links down in the bio. And guys, like, let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Kind of see where the color inspiration comes from. Boom, look at that. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. We are almost on the road to 2K. Follow all of our Instagrams because, yo, you already know, we have a lot more reviews coming for you. The next review that we are going to do is the Jordan 4 PSGs. So look out for that review, and yeah. Anyways, guys, this is Jordan Stammer from Flight for Hype. Prince Man in the camera.
What's
CJ
up?
in spirit. Peace.